For checking in, you guys. How y'all doing? If you are new here, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. I am here at, I think it's called Lignon. I'm gonna find the name and insert it somewhere in this video, y'all. I forgot the name. I was just looking at the menu, but yeah, you guys, I am out here with Babe having lunch. Okay, it was not planning, but we are having lunch. You know, after your girl just received a bad news, but we'll talk later about that. Okay. But yeah, you guys, let me show you what the place looking like. They went to go use the bathroom, as you can see. So yeah, you guys. Here's Babe. We got the restaurant to ourselves, y'all. So nice. I love it. And this is the entry. So pretty. And that's our server right here. Love it. And food is here, y'all. Here's what we have.